Stylishly played. Everything. Don't give him any width. That's gone and hit the fence in no time. Beautifully struck.
For Pakistan. Here we go. Time to disappear, Hassan Ali. Welcome back, champ.
Oh, another swing of the bat and another six. Crowd has come alive. Extremely hard, and there's another one. It's gone up in the air. This should be all over for Shajeel. Hassan Ali has the last laugh. Ah, such a good shot that is. Beautifully crissed through the offside.
Up and over. Welcome to the contest, Shad Malik. Cameron Delport.
Shot. Great shot. Wonderful shot. For more. Such a good player. That's 4. Wow, that's it hard. 4. Asked to be punished and was. Got him! Beauty! Absolute beauty! Look at that. It doesn't matter whether it's your first ball or your second ball, you just come out and you just want to play shots. Well, there's your answer. There is your answer. We're going to call it a misfield in the deep, but the placement was still exceptional. Finds space again. Finds the boundary again. Ends the over well. 13 from it. Oh, what about that?
Yeah, not bad. Talk about finding your feet. Liam's not, but Bubba has. He is,
wants to. Captain responds. It needed a direct hit, but that's great running. And he puts you away. Just a touch. Has he got it? Has he got it? You betcha!
Absolute peach. That! Oh, it's been fatted! Just like that. Thought he didn't quite get there. Hepsi catch a craw. It's 10 million Pakistan rupees. Let's have a share of it, if you please.
How about this for a shot? Seriously, that is incredible. That had no right to go over middle. Oh! Yes, please! Four more. The pressure is starting to count down.
And Imad did say at the toss that he would want at least 180. Shot. He's picked that up beautifully. It's into the fence, Imad.
So the average runs in the last 5 overs here at National Stadium is 49. That's gone. Once again, it's almost hit the roof. Such is the strength. Can be a tough ask. Have a look at that smash. And dropped. I think it's Shoaib Malik. Oh, half stopped. Otherwise it would have been a 4. It'd still be. So I think we'll have a review. Chance at the non-strikers and it is gone. Babar Azam is run out. Big shot, chance. Beautifully held, brilliantly done. It's Shoaib Malik who redeems himself with a wonderful take. Hassan Ali is whipped for 4. And the crowds burst into a big roar. Oh. Saruj, now you know what he can do?
That's what he can do. Massive hit and straight as you like as the HBL 6s come to 19 and Iftikhar starts on with style.
What a a shot. See the length. Wasn't required to be a leg delivery, and he pushed himself back, used the crease. Look at him go deep to create that extra bit of width and length, and hit it straight as an arrow. Brilliant shot. Goes humongous this time over mid-wicket. What a show from Iftikhar. He is denting the opposition. The Zalmis are down on their knees. 2 balls to 6. Now almost nearing a 200 target.
Yeah, picked it up very nicely, Iftikhar. And this is Karachi's highest PSL score, 197. The last delivery now.
Can he make it 3 out of 3? Well, 2 sixes and a 4 is not a bad way to end the innings. Iftikhar was held back for this bombshell of a knock. Karachi Kings, Kings at home in front of home audiences, and they have had a blistering time of it with the bat.
Here we go. They're off, he wants to. Loves it right.
How simple was that?
Arshad Iqbal. 4 more. Four. Simple. Really is simple. Gone. Out the ground. That's enormous. This man can play T20 cricket. Big shot. Big shot. Massive. Umpire Illingworth. Unmoved. Just indicating that maybe there's a little bit of a bottom edge. Well, they've gone for the review. It's an important wicket, they know. The opener.
Yep, but Illingworth changing his decision. That is up. Such a big breakthrough.
All the men up again on the offside. The protection's away on the leg. Goes over mid-off. Second ball. Boundary. Got him! It's the Yorker from Jordan. Handy edge for 4. He tried to get it down there, but probably not as fine as he did, but he'll take the runs. 5 gone, 39 for 2. Squeezed away. That's very nicely played. On the square leg boundary. And that's what happens. The touch of a master. In the Caribbean recently.
Nearly. Ah, 8 that would have been goal.
But that'll be 4. Lovely shot.
Oh, heck.
It's gone. Brilliant. Blow that one over.
Oh, yes, indeed.
Just got enough on it. I want to have a look at this replay. It's gone all the way for another chucker. No pace bowling of Cameron Delphi. Yeah, he's got one. He has got one.
Oh, big one and 6. What a mighty connection. Big shot. Is it big enough? Is it big enough? Yes, it is. Just about making it over the ropes. There's the edge, and it's gone. Mohammad Amir comes back for a spell, takes the wicket, and Zalmis go down further.
Second at this venue. There we go. Here we go. Jorders! Oh, no hang time there. It's gone all the way, and lovely bit of striking here from Livingston. It's Chris Jordan. It's full, and he gets 4. Brilliant from Livingston, and just what the Zalmi needed. 10 from that over. 154 for 5 here. Crowd chanting, getting in behind Amir. Slow one. Up and away. Absolutely stunning. What a way to bring it up. backed himself, went inside and helped the hook shot.
Looking off together.
Here we go. Short and pumped! Catch it, someone, please! We want to give away some cash, some rupees. Jordan, and he's disappeared first up. Crowd roaring. Talk about entertainment. And up and over. Oh, Shajir was never going to get out of his blocks there. The big fella, no hang time getting up and cover.
As Madoff goes down to the boundary.
Pressure on the bowler. It's gone to the moon. Bowler wants it. Oh, what a ripper. What an absolute ripper from Ahmad. Yeah, let's get the celebrations on here. Match from Ahmad to get rid of Darren Sammy. So, formalities here. Last ball of match 2. Now, it doesn't matter if it disappears out of the ballpark. It's not going to here. Oh, it's going to be a